Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing tax filings, specifically American tax filings, so filing one's tax return, and deadlines associated therewith. Now, again, this video, I may sound like a broken record because everybody's case is going to be circumstantially dependent. It's going to be based on the underlying facts in the given case. But understand there may be different deadlines for filing depending on your factual situation and depending on your status effectively as an expat. So if you've truly been living abroad, so-called bona fide residents of foreign countries, to use the IRS's vernacular, you may be automatically eligible for basically a different deadline. We all know April 15th, but some folks who've been living abroad may be able to avail themselves of filing deadlines 60 days later. There also may be the possibility of filing for an extension, wherein one can extend the filing deadline out to usually around about October in a given year and basically file at that time after filing an initial extension. Again, the thing to take away from this video, though, is these deadlines are going to be based on the facts in your case. So where specifically you have been, whether or not you've been back in the United States. Certain parts of the analysis may also factor into what we call the foreign earned income exclusion and analysis associated with that. But long story short, yeah, the deadlines may be different. It may not necessarily be April 15th for you to get your taxes in. It may be later than that, depending on the factual circumstances in your given case, or whether or not you opt to go ahead and file for an extension and thereby place that deadline further down the road, so-called moving the goalposts, if you will. So the thing to take away from this video is, again, depending on your factual situation, the deadlines may differ. It may be different than your friend who may have to file at a different deadline unless they file for an extension. Again, the thing to take away from this video, if you find American tax matters overwhelming, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.